Hello and welcome. My name is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you the robotic pallet system with the smallest footprint on the market, the Enduro Loader Pro from Swiss Precision Tooling. Enjoy. Now, to run the system after it's been loaded up with raw materials, you'll just need to answer some simple questions first. We'll go over the air cleaning process later in the video, but for now we'll click yes. Then we're going to enter the last part number to run, the weight of the pallet in kilograms, the weight of the raw material, and then the weight of the final part. And finally, the beginning position for the program to run. And then it's going to confirm what we selected, and the robot will begin to move. Now, after the program is started, the robot arm will move according to specific waypoints that need to be set up beforehand. You'll see the robot move to our waypoint at the first docking station so that it can pick up and place pallet 1 into our CNC machine. Now, the robot moves pallet 1 into the CNC machine and places it on the 5th axis rock log system. The gripper then opens and moves backwards to slide out of the pallet. The gripper closes again, and using its Allen wrench attachment, the gripper begins rotating to secure the pallet onto the rock log system. Now the robot is going into the torque phase, where it's slowly going to apply 30 foot-pounds of torque, which is the requirement for the rock log system. And it's worth noting that our system works with most machine setups. So if you're using a setup that uses air to clamp and unclamp your pallets, our system will still work and would actually be less steps for the robot, resulting in a quicker runtime. Now that the pallet is locked in, the robot will exit the machine and move to its resting position via the waypoints mentioned earlier. When the robot gets here, the NC Start actuator will automatically start the next CNC cycle. When the machine is done running, the program will open the door and tell the robot the pallet is ready to be picked up. Now, using the Allen wrench attachment, the robot will go ahead and loosen the pallet from the rock log system and remove it from the machine. Now, before the pallet is returned to its docking station, the robot will execute the air cleaning routine that we enabled when we started the program. The gripper sweeps over the base fixture and cleans it off using 2 air blast ports on the bottom of the pallet. Now the robot places pallet 1 back onto docking station 1 and moves over to docking station 2 to pick up pallet number 2. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to know more about the Enduro Loader, you can check out our website at sp-tooling.com, and you can also reach us by email at info@sp-tooling.com. This has been Taylor, and I'll see you guys next time.